The Hercules hammer drill, 20 volt, versus the bostitch 18 volt drill. This is what everybody's been waiting for. Bostitch versus Hercules. Harbor Freight Tools and the Walmart's bostitch drill, which tools are built back in 150 years ago. So it's pretty good competitors. So it's bostitch versus Hercules hammer drill. Nice drill. Pretty good drill. Good. Cool. This one don't have a battery sensor later. Doesn't indicate how much battery charge it has, but this one does. This one. 2 bars, so it's all good. It's a nice drill. I just bought this Hercules this morning. Hercules brushless drill, bostitch drill with brush. There's the Hercules drill manual.